Homeowners in Plymouth know that maintaining siding isn't just about keeping up appearances. It's about protecting your home from the region's persistent humidity and fluctuating weather. The coastal climate brings moisture, storms, and temperature swings that can wreak havoc on exterior siding if repairs aren't handled properly. Avoiding common siding repair mistakes can save you from costly damage and ensure your home remains attractive and well protected year-round. Ignoring underlying moisture damage. One of the biggest mistakes homeowners make is fixing only the visible problem. In Plymouth's humid climate, moisture often seeps beneath siding panels, causing hidden mold, rot, and structural decay. Simply patching or replacing a damaged section without addressing underlying water issues is like placing a bandage over a deep wound. It may look better temporarily, but the damage will continue to spread. Tip: before replacing panels, inspect the sheathing and insulation for dampness or soft spots. If moisture is present, dry out the area thoroughly and use vapor barriers to prevent future intrusion. Using incompatible or low-quality materials. Plymouth's high humidity demands materials designed to resist swelling, warping, and mold growth. Using inexpensive or mismatched siding materials may seem like a cost-saving shortcut, but it can lead to bigger problems down the line. For instance, untreated wood siding absorbs moisture easily, while low-grade vinyl can crack or fade under temperature fluctuations. Tip: choose materials like fiber cement, engineered wood, or high-quality vinyl rated for humid environments. Make sure replacement panels match your existing siding in both material and style to prevent uneven expansion or color discrepancies. Poor caulking and sealing practices. Humidity and coastal rains make sealing crucial in Plymouth. Skipping or rushing the caulking process is a major mistake that allows water to infiltrate behind siding. Over time, this can cause mildew, paint peeling, and even pest infestations. Tip: use exterior-grade, paintable caulk designed for flexible movement and weather resistance. Pay special attention to seams, corners, window frames, and door trims. Re-inspect these areas annually, as sealants can degrade faster in humid conditions. Neglecting ventilation and drainage. Proper ventilation and drainage play a key role in preventing trapped moisture. Homeowners often overlook the importance of creating breathing room behind siding or ensuring that water can easily drain away. When air circulation is poor, condensation can form, promoting rot and mold growth. Tip: install moisture barriers and ensure that house wrap is applied correctly. Leave a small gap at the bottom of panels for drainage, and clear out gutters and downspouts regularly to divert water away from the siding and foundation. Failing to account for expansion and contraction. In Plymouth, seasonal temperature changes can cause siding to expand in summer and contract in winter. If siding panels are nailed too tightly, they have no room to move, resulting in buckling, cracking, or gaps that let moisture in. Tip: follow manufacturer guidelines on nailing techniques and spacing. Use corrosion-resistant nails, and leave slight room for movement between panels to accommodate temperature fluctuations. Painting or sealing in the wrong conditions. Painting or sealing siding on a humid or rainy day can trap moisture underneath, leading to blistering or peeling later on. Many homeowners make this mistake during the muggy summer months, not realizing that the paint needs dry conditions to cure properly. Tip: always check the forecast before starting your project. Aim for dry weather with humidity below 60%, and give your siding adequate time to dry before painting or sealing. Skipping professional inspection. DIY repairs can be rewarding, but without experience, it's easy to overlook subtle warning signs, especially in a climate as moisture-prone as Plymouth's. Small issues like hairline cracks or improper flashing can lead to major water damage if left unchecked. Tip: schedule annual siding inspections with a local professional who understands Plymouth's coastal weather challenges. They can identify problem areas early and recommend preventive maintenance tailored to your home's material and exposure. Final thoughts: maintaining siding in Plymouth's humid climate requires more than quick fixes. It calls for attention to detail and weather-appropriate techniques. By avoiding these common siding repair mistakes, you'll extend the life of your home's exterior, improve energy efficiency, and preserve its curb appeal. Whether you're tackling a small patch job or a full replacement, taking time to do it right, or consulting an experienced siding specialist will help you protect your investment from the region's toughest elements.